Hey guys, hey, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the Cascade Loop Rally. Hope everybody had a good time yesterday on the drive. I know we had some pretty crazy weather. Today, I think it's going to be a little bit similar. So we're going to have an okay drive up until around Stevens Pass. Once we get up there, we're going to park, take some video footage, some pictures real quick. From there, we're heading to Lake Ty Park in Monroe, Washington. That's where we're going to end the trip. We still have the lead car, or the videographer car, so just make sure you guys are watching out for him. I already got some pretty cool footage of some rides yesterday on the drive, so looking forward to seeing that footage. We're going to stage behind my car, so it's going to be about 5 or 10 minutes. Go ahead and get your cars warmed up and get ready to head out.